Hi guys, and welcome to another Pips Pastry video. My name is Preston, and because Christmas is just around the corner, I decided why don't we make homemade gingerbread men. So let's go ahead and get on started.
So the first thing we're going to do is cream together 125 grams of softened butter and 175 grams of brown sugar in a stand mixer with the paddle attachment. You can also do this by hand using a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon. Next, we will add an egg and 80 grams of corn syrup to the stand mixer. We will cream this all together until the mixture is lighter in color. After that, we'll add 350 grams of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a heaped teaspoon of ginger, another of cinnamon, and then pinches of nutmeg, cloves, and salt. Next, beat that all together until forming a cohesive dough. Once that is done, roll your gingerbread dough to 4 millimeters thick. Coating your rolling pin in some flour will help prevent it from sticking to the dough. Once your dough is to the desired thickness, place it in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes. At this time, preheat your oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. After the dough has rested in the fridge, you can punch out your gingerbread cookies using whatever shape you like. I used a 4.5 by 3.25 inch cookie cutter, which yielded me 24 gingerbread men. Place your raw cookies back in the fridge for 10 minutes before baking them at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Then let these cool on a wire rack for about an hour before decorating. To make some royal icing, add 1 egg white and 200 grams of icing sugar into a clean bowl. Mix this with a whisk attachment on your stand mixer or a whisk by hand until it thickens and the sugar has dissolved. If the royal icing is a bit too stiff, you can use 5 to 10 grams of lemon juice to help loosen the icing to make it easier to pipe. Once your royal icing is made, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a small nozzle. You can decorate these however you like. I chose to go for a simpler look, but you can place small candies atop the royal icing, especially if serving these to kids. But I'll be quiet now and let you enjoy this decorating montage.
And here they are. But before I show you the final result, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps so that I can continue making more videos. Also, if you would like exclusive content, please make sure to follow me on Patreon. I'll put a link in the description box below. Until next time, bye guys!